First line. A parrot is a colorful and intelligent bird. Second line. It has a strong curved beak and bright feathers. Third line. Parrots are usually green, but some are red, blue, or yellow. Fourth line. They can copy human speech and sounds. Fifth line. Parrots mostly eat fruits, seeds, nuts, and grains. Sixth line. They live in forests and warm tropical regions. Seventh line. Parrots use their claws to hold food while eating. Eighth line. They are social birds and like to live in groups. Ninth line. Many people keep parrots as pets because they are friendly. 10th line. Parrots are beautiful birds that make nature more lively.